to my channel. I don't know what that was, but we're going with it all the same. Today I am doing, I don't know why I clap either. Today we are doing a very spring, summery, it's not spring, it's July, summer, bold, bright makeup look. It has been a minute since I have done like a makeup tutorial, so I thought I would do a tutorial on this look for you guys. White eyeliner and a very bold rainbow kind of looking eye with a really soft nudie pink lip. So before I start rambling, because Lord knows I will, let's just get right into it.
Firstly, starting off with the NYX No Filter Blurring Primer. I keep this to my T-zone where most of my pores are very large, so I kind of want to blur them out, fill them in, and make them look not there. Next, I'm going to go in with a Rimmel Breathable Foundation. This is the 25-hour lasting foundation. I have this in light porcelain, and this is the lightest shade, and it's more my tone, you know. Next, I'm going to go in with the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer. I'm also going to put a little bit of a dab of the Tarte Shape Tape just to help brighten the under eye area. And then I'm going to set with the e.l.f. setting powder. This is a translucent powder. There's no flashback. It's phenomenal. Next, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Matte Makeup Powder. I'm just going to set my entire face with the Beauty Blender before going in with a contour powder from the Contour Palette by NYX. I'm going to use a grey, cooler undertone brown for this, just to give me some kind of definition to my face before going in with a more warmer orange tone, kind of bronzy brown shade. I'm also going to bring it down the sides of my neck in a kind of V shape, which Rihanna has taught me herself. It kind of disguises the chins. You know, your girl has a lot of chins and we want to hide them, you know. And then I'm just going to bake just to clean up my contour, and then going in with a e.l.f. palette. I cannot remember for the life of me what it's called, but I'm just picking up the two blush shades and I'm mixing them together to give me a little bit of a rosy glow. And then spraying my brush before sticking the Revlon highlighter brick. You know your girl loves highlight, and I love it popping, and it's popping. I do tend to layer my highlight everywhere possible, so all on the high points of my face before blending it all out, so it looks a little bit more seamless, no harsh lines. And then I'm going to set my entire face with the Pixi Wakeup Mist, so refreshing. For the eyes, I'm going to go in with Butterscotch. This is a gorgeous yellow, and I'm just going to stick that into the crease using small circular motions. FYI. Just ignore me singing. I am just singing at this point. I'm not telling you anything interesting. I'm just singing. Then next I'm going to go in with a very vibrant pink, and this is Pink Lady, also by NYX, and I'm just packing it onto my lid before blending it out. If you want more of a summery coral look, I would go in with a orange to blend the pink out, but I didn't. Feeling a little bit lazy, and this worked a treat, just using the pink and the yellow on the lid anyway. Next I'm going to go in with the California palette by NYX. I'm just using the lighter shade just for a brow highlight. I'm pretty sure I stuck this in the inner corner as well. If I did, can't remember doing it. But we're going to go in with the NYX white eyeliner, and I'm just going to wing my liner out. Lord knows I'm not going to show you this entire segment or the lashes that I'm going to use, but the lashes I'm using are by Eylure, and they are the Jasmine lash. You know your girl loves a lash. You know this girl loves a lash. For my lower portion of the eye, I'm going to go in with Ultraviolet on a pencil brush. This is also by NYX, keeping it very close to the lash line. And then going in with the blue from the California palette, I'm just going to buff that out as well for a transition, an ombre, a gradient. This part is completely optional. You could go in with the pink underneath the eye as well, or just have a pink and yellow lid. Next I'm going to go in with a great lash mascara from Maybelline. Love this mascara for my lower lashes. The bomb. And then for lips, to finish this look off, I'm going to go in with the Plush lipstick from NYX, and as you can see, I'm rather shook. It was very pink, very hydrating. It melted into my lips amazingly. Super, super cute. And then to finish is a lip gloss, and this is a new lip gloss from NYX, just to finish this look off.
And this is the completed, finished makeup look. It's very bright, it's very bold, it's very cute, it's very different to what I am used to for spring looks. So everything that I have used will be listed down below for you guys as always. If you like this video, then click thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe. I'm here every Tuesday with this face, doing something, and a Sunday with a weekly vlog. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!